In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows 11, step by step. This is a quick and useful change if you want every web link, email link, or document link to open in Chrome automatically instead of another browser. If you use Chrome every day, setting it as your default browser can make your workflow much smoother and more consistent. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page, where you can customize everything from privacy and appearance to downloads and default browser options. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see several categories. Find and click Default Browser. This section is specifically designed for managing which browser handles links on your device. Now you'll see the option to make Chrome your default browser. Click Make Default. At this point, Windows settings will open automatically and show you your current default browser app settings. This is normal because Windows is the system that controls default app choices. On the Windows default app screen, look for Google Chrome and select it if needed. Then set Chrome as the default for web-related file types and link types, such as HTTP and HTTPS, so links open directly in Chrome. Depending on your version of Windows, you may see a single confirmation button or a list of browser associations you need to change one by one. If you do, choose Chrome for all relevant web links so it becomes the browser Windows uses by default. Once that is saved, you can close the settings window and go back to Chrome. After this, whenever you click a link from another app, email, or document, it should open in Google Chrome automatically. If it doesn't change right away, restart Chrome or sign out and back into Windows, then test the link again. In most cases, the change applies immediately, but a quick restart can help Windows refresh the default app settings, and that's it. You've successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser in Windows 11. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides, Windows tips, and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.